welcome back everyone. So today class we're talking about link in HTML. Link in HTML. Link in HTML. Right. So what is link used for? Link in HTML is used to navigate from one website to another. Okay, and we have two types of lists. We have internal link and external link. Internal link is used to move from one page to another within a website, while external link is used to move from one website to another. For example, we move from Facebook to Instagram, while the internal link is like you move from Facebook to another profile, that's person's profile, but still within that website, still within Instagram. So the tag for link is icon link. We call it hyperlink or icon link, right? Hyper or icon link. When you say hyper, because it can help you to move from one place to another. It's a link. When you click on it, to take it to another page, take it to somewhere. But that's the meaning of hyper. It's hyperlinked to somewhere. Okay, now let's go to VS Code. Let's practicalize what we are saying. Okay. All right. First, you want to put a file. Right, a file that can enable us to move from one page to another. Okay, now let's create a file. Let's create a file here. File. Let's call it second page. Right, second page dot html right, dot html. Then you build out your HTML structure or HTML boiler template. Press Shift 1 and press Enter. Alright, let's write something on it. Let's write heading 1, H1, right? H1. Say welcome to my second page, right? Second page. Second page. Okay. Right. Now, what do you want to do now? Remember, I said the tag for link is what? A, right? A. The tag for link is A. Just press A on your keyboard and press Enter. Alright. This is tag for link. Alright. This is tag for link. Now, let me share my screen so you see what I'm doing. See my screen. Okay. Tag for link is A. Alright. Now, first we have to have the content that someone can click. Or move around within a website, right? First, we're talking about internal link now. Now, let's say I want to go to my second page. Let's write the content. Let's write the content first. Content here. Let's say second website. Second page. All right, second page. Second page. I just need it now. It has underline on it. But if I click on it now, nothing's happening. If I click on it, nothing's happening, right? Nothing's happening because I've not linked it to this page. I've not linked it to this page. I want to link it to this page, not to this page. I want to link from this index to this page. Alright? Now what I will do now, I will come here, inside this href, right? Href. In between the quote, I will say dot / Now click on second page. I see it now. If I click on this page now, it will take me to this second page. Now, take me to this second page here now. Let me click on it. Let's see it now. I see it. It takes me to this second page, but we are still within the same website. Okay. Alright. Now let me do something. Let me click a link that will take me back to this index.html. Let me click a link. I'll come here. I'll say I'll click a link. I'll press Enter. I'll say let me link it. I'll say index page, right? Index.html. I'll say index page. Right. If I click on this index page now, look at it now. Take me to this word, the index page. If I click on the second page now, take me to second page. Understand? But still within a website, still within one website. Right? I move from one page to another, still within a website. Okay? I believe this entire link is clear, right? Now let's talk about external link. External link, right? External link now. Okay, external link is like you moving from one place to another. Now I'm inside a website. I want to go to Facebook from here. Facebook. What I would do, first of all, what I would do, first of all, um, drag my link, right? Press my link, right? I'll say enter. Right? I'll say I want to go to Facebook from here. Facebook from here. Facebook, right? Now let's specify the URL for Facebook, right? I'll say www.facebook.com, right? But nothing showing here. But I'm not reading the content on it. I'll say come here. I'll say Facebook website. I can say Facebook website, right? This website. Look at it. It's here, like showing here, right? Now, if you check it very well, you see like the URL is showing already here. If I click on this Facebook, now it's taken to Facebook. Currently, because I'm not using data. I'm not using data. That's why it's not showing. If not, it take me straight to Facebook. Straight to Facebook. So if I copy the full URL of Facebook, now you have I hope I'm correct. HTTPS slash or something like this. I think it's something like this, right? I don't know, I've forgotten. I think it's something like this. Sorry. Yeah, something like this. You can copy the full URL and paste it here. Because when you click on this, you take you straight to Facebook. Same thing with Instagram as well. I do the same thing for Instagram or YouTube. One of them is YouTube. Let's say YouTube, right? www.youtube YouTube YouTube dot YouTube dot com, right? I'll come here. I'll say the YouTube page, right? YouTube website on page. YouTube page or YouTube website, right? Come here, right? Center. Take it back. Let me take it back again, alright? Maybe I should have this now. Should have this quality. If I click on it now, it take me straight to YouTube because it's already hyperlinked. And I believe it's clear enough, right? It's clear now. Or if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section or you can ask me in the group section. Alright, next one we'll talk about list in HTML.